Improved notification. Apple has redesigned the notifications in iOS 15. Now the app icons are larger, making it easier to see. Calls and message notifications now include the contact photo of the person who has communicated to you. Apple has also improved the way the notifications are classified. These change based on schedule set for the day. Live text. Live text intelligently unlocks rich and useful information in images, so you can make a call, send an email, or look up directions with just a tap on the highlighted text in a photo. Live text understands 7 different languages: English, Chinese, French, Italian, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. And with system-wide translation, you can simply tap and translate. In added and visual lookup, also an interesting feature here, you can get more information from the objects in the photo. Improved Apple Maps. Even though Google dominates the Maps market, Apple still hasn't given up on its own map application, Apple Maps. There are some major improvements to Maps app in iOS 15. Some of these being all new city experience, immersive walking instruction, new Transit feature, and new driving features. Of these, the new city experience is the most interesting, with 3D details for major landmarks in the area, making the experience more immersive than the previous version. Privacy. Great features should not have to come at the expense of your privacy. iOS 15 provides increased visibility into how apps access your data, protects you from unwanted data collection, and gives you more control over what you choose to share. You can also see how these apps have been using the permissions you have provided in the App Privacy Report. Spotlight improvements. Spotlight now provide more rich results with more information available from a glance. Now you can search your photos in Spotlight, and even search based on text in your photos by using live text. These are some much needed updates that make Spotlight more useful.